How to play Valorant on another region. Hey everyone, in this video you're going to learn how to play Valorant in another region. Maybe you want to play with friends or just experience the game in a different server region. Either way, I'll walk you through how to create a new Riot account for a different region step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Sign out of your current Riot account. First, log out of your existing Riot account if you're signed in. You can do this by going to account.riotgames.com and clicking Sign Out in the top right corner. Step 2. Choose a different region. Riot automatically assigns your region based on your IP address. So, to get into a different region without a VPN, you have two options. Option A. Ask a friend who lives in that region to create an account for you. Or Option B. Use a VPN just once, only during account creation, to simulate being in that region. After that, you can log in and play normally without a VPN. Step 3. Use a VPN temporarily. If you go with the VPN option, install any free VPN and connect it to the country or region you want, for example Europe, Asia, or North America. Once connected, go to Riot Games and click Play Now to start create a new account. Step 4. Create your new Riot account. Fill out the form with a new email, username, and password. Make sure the region shown is the one you want, is based on your current IP. Complete the registration and confirm your email. Step 5. Download and log into Valorant. Now, download Valorant if you haven't already. When you log in with your new Riot account, it will automatically connect you to the new region. From now on, you can play on that server. That's it. That's how you play Valorant in another region without using a VPN all the time. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.